Hello and welcome to flowindata channel. In this video, we will discuss the purpose of the this keyword in JavaScript. Okay, so simply we can say this keyword is used to refer to the object that a function or method is a property of. Okay, it can be a bit confusing concept, but understanding it is very important. So let's get in. So as I have already mentioned you, this keyword is a reference to the object that a function or method is a property of. So it allows us to access the properties and methods of that object. Okay, so here is the example. In this example, we have defined an object called person with properties for first and last name as well as method for returning the full name. Okay, now within the full name method, we have used this keyword to refer to the person object and access its properties. Okay, and this keyword can also be used outside of object methods, but its value will depend on how the function is called. So here is an example. In this example, we have defined a function called myFunction that simply logs the value of this. Okay, so when we call this function without an object reference, the value of this becomes the global window object. Okay, so in conclusion, this keyword is used to refer to the object that a function or method is a property of, and it allows us to access the properties and methods of that object. The value of this depends on how the function is called, and it can be the global window object if no object reference is provided. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the purpose of this keyword in JavaScript. If you have any question or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.